In the adjacent figure, the height of a solid cylinder is 10 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. Two equal conical holes of 3 radius and height 4 centimeters are cut off as shown in the figure. Find the volume of the remaining solid. So here a cylindrical solid given, it has a height 10 centimeters and diameter 7 centimeters. From this, two cones with 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height one cut off. So now we have to find the resulting volumes of solid. That one we have to find. So here that cylinder's volume to this conical volume we subtract, then we get the remaining volume of the solid. That one finding. Okay, so now we solve the problem. So given information writing. So given diameter of cylinder D equal to 7 centimeters. So radius of cylinder equal to R, that equal to D by 2 equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Next, height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters given. Now, volume of cylinder to principal pi r square h, that equal to 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h equal to 10. So 7 sevens, 2 11s, 2 5s. So 11 into 7 into 5, that is nothing but 385. So volume of cylinder is 385 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder equal to 385 centimeter cube. Now here two conical portions there, that one's volume we finding. So for that information writing, radius of cone R equal to 3 centimeters, height of cone H equal to 4 centimeters. So now volume of cone, so volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi equal to 22 by 7 and r value is 3 and h value is 4. So 3 into 3 into 4. So 3 gets cancelled. So 22 into 3 into 4 by 7. So 22 into 3 into 4 by 7 is 264 by 7. So now volume of cone equal to 264 by 7 centimeter cube. Now our two conical portions there and both have with same radius and same height. So volume of two cones finding. So volume of two cones equal to 2 into 264 by 7, that is nothing but 528 by 7 centimeter cube. So now we get the volume of two cones is 528 by 7 centimeter cube and volume of cylinder is 385 centimeter cube. Now here we want to find the volume of remaining solid, that is nothing but subtraction of volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones. That one now we find. So volume of remaining solid equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones, that is equal to 385 minus 528 by 7. So now here 385 minus 528 by 7, if we do the LCM, that is nothing but 7. So 7 into 385, 7 into 385 is nothing but 2695, 2695 minus 528. So 2628 minus 528, that value is 2167 by 7, that is equal to, by simplification we get 309.571. So now the volume of remaining solid is 309.571 centimeter cube. So volume of remaining solid equal to 309.571 centimeter cube. The given problem is spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeters which contains some water. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. That is one they are given. So here a cylindrical beaker there. So in a cylindrical beaker, there has some water. Now by dropping of some spherical marbles, so the water level is raised. So the raised water level is 5.6 centimeters given. And the diameter of the cylindrical portion is 7 centimeters given. Now here we have to find how many marbles are dropped. That is the question here asked. That means here we want to find how much water level is increased. So that water level is increased one volume we have to find. So here increased one is nothing but in the shape of the cylindrical shape only. So here we want to find the volume of cylinder and spherical marbles given. So the spherical marbles volume also find. So volume of raised water equal to n into volume of spherical marble. Through that we will find. Okay. So first finding the volume of cylinder. So that purpose the given information writing. So given diameter of cylinder d equal to 7 centimeters. Next, radius of cylinder r equal to d by 2, that equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Next, height of the cylinder, that means here water level raised, that is nothing but height. So water level rises h equal to 5.6 centimeters. Now volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that equal to 22 by 7 into r value 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5.6 centimeter cube. It is the volume of cylinder. Okay. Now we finding the volume of spherical marble. So they are given diameter of marble equal to 1.4 centimeters. So radius of marble r equal to d by 2 equal to 1.4 by 2, that is nothing but 0.7 centimeters. Okay. So 0.7 means we can write 7 by 10 also. Next, volume of marble, that means volume of sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that equal to 4 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 centimeter cube. Okay. Now here, so it is nothing but volume of spherical marble and it is the volume of cylinder. So our to ask how many number of marbles dropped. So we find if dropped number of marbles equal to n, then n into volume of sphere equal to volume of cylinder, that equal to volume of sphere space, this one substituting. So n into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5.6. So now these values total will be transferred to, that is reciprocals to we multiply. So n is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5.6 means we can write 56 by 10. Point removed means denominator to 1 0 into, now reciprocals to multiplication set, so 4 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 4 into 22 by 7, that is 7 by 22 into 7 by 10, that is nothing but 10 by 7, so 10 by 7 into 10 by 7 into 10 by 7. Now 22 by 7, 7 by 22, both are gets cancelled, so 7 sevens, next 7 ones 7 8, 4 ones 4 twos, 2 ones 2 ones, next 10 gets cancelled, 2 ones 2 fives, so here remained one are 3 into 5 into 10, so 3 5 ja 15, 10 ja 150, so n equal to 150. N is nothing but dropped number of spherical marbles, so therefore 150 spherical marbles are dropped into the cylindrical beaker, then the water rises 5.6 centimeters. The given problem one is here, a pen stand is made of wood in the shape of cuboid with 3 conical depressions to hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each conical depression is 0.5 centimeters and the depth is 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. So here the wood is in the shape of a cuboid. So this cuboid to 3 conical depressions are done by keeping the pen. So pen before one is in conical shape. So this conical shape to keep means now here in this place the pen will be stand. So that purpose 3 conical holes are done. So now find the volume of wood in the entire stand. That means these 3 conical holes doing after how much the volume of wood, that is asked. That means here what we want to find, we have to find the volume of cone and volume of that cuboid. So from the volume of cuboid, the volume of 3 cones we have to subtract, then we get the volume of wood. Now remained 1. Okay, so now we solve through first given information. Now given cuboid's length L equal to 15 centimeters, breadth B equal to 10 centimeters, height H equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now volume of cuboid is equal to LBH, that is 15 into 10 into 3.5. So 15 into 10 into 3.5, that is nothing but 525. So 35 into 3.5 into 10 is nothing but 35. So 35 into 15 equal to 525. So volume of cuboid is equal to 525 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the volume of cone. So for the cone here given the radius and depth, that is nothing but height. So the radius of conical depression are equal to 0.5 centimeters and depth of conical depression so that depth is nothing but height, that equal to 1.4 centimeters. Now finding the volume of cone. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that equal to 1 by 3 into pi, 22 by 7 into r value, that is 0.5 into 0.5 into h value 1.4. So 7 ones 7.2s. Okay, so now 22 5 ja 110, that means 11. So 5 2 ja 10. So 10 into 11 equal to 11, 110, and here point, here a point there. So 2 digits before point. So 110 2 digits before point, that is 1.1. So volume of cone equal to 1.1 by 3 centimeter cube. Now here our 2-3 conical depressions there. So volume of three conical depressions equal to 3 into 1.1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled, that is nothing but 1.1 centimeter cube. Okay, so volume of 3 conical depressions is 1.1 centimeter cube get. Now find the volume of remaining wood. Volume of remaining wood equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 3 conical depressions. So volume of cube minus volume of 3 conical depressions, that is equal to 525 minus 1.1. So 525 minus 1.1 is 523.9. So now the remaining volume of wood, therefore remaining volume of wood in the stand is 523.9 centimeter cube. Here given the problem, which barrel shown in the below figure can hold more water? So 2 barrels given. So one barrel's diameter is 1 centimeter, height is 4 centimeters, and another barrel's radius is 2 centimeters and height is 1 centimeter. So in that which can hold more water given, and both the barrels are in the shape of cylinder only. So here we want to find the volume of cylinders. So given first barrel diameter d equal to 1 centimeter. So its radius r is equal to d by 2 equal to 1 by 2 centimeters. Now its height given as 4 centimeters. Now volume of first barrel finding. So volume of first barrel is equal to, it is in cylindrical shape said, so cylinder to volume formula is pi r square h. So pi into r value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into h value is 4. So 2 2's 4, that means it will be cancelled. So volume of first barrel is pi centimeter cube. So volume of first barrel. Now the second barrel's given information writing. So second barrel radius are equal to 2 centimeters given. Its height is 1 centimeter given. Height. Now finding the volume of second barrel. Is equal to, it is also in the shape of the cylinder only, that is equal to pi r square h, that equal to pi into r value is 2 into 2 into h value is 1, that is 4 pi centimeter cube. It is the volume of second barrel. Now here if we observed the two barrels volume, now first barrel's volume is pi, second barrel's volume is 4 pi. So here which can hold more water, means simply looking 4 pi holds more water. So why? Because it is the more value, that means second barrel. So therefore second barrel holds more water.